My name is Jinky.
My name is Vignesh, and we work in the procurement department of our company. The company is Phoenix Meccano. We are out of Maryland, Frederick to be specific, Frederick, Maryland. What we do is we call ourselves a manufacturing distributor. So we get our items from our suppliers in Germany, Switzerland, Hungary, and India. We do some customizations on that and provide it to the customers based on what they want. So one of the top products that we deal with is electronic enclosures. To be specific, these enclosures are anything that, like for example, if there's an, a PCB board or any electrical circuits that's required, it's an enclosure for them, so that the wires come out from the right place and it's arranged in the proper way, and they can fit in to the walls. So that's one of the major products that we deal with. Apart from that, we do sell a lot of profiles, we do sell a lot of stairs and various other customized products. Thing is, we have a lot of SKUs because of the customized products. We have a lot of SKUs and we have a lot of data that we are dealing with from our ERP. I think StockIQ exactly fits perfectly well for us in understanding the demand, understanding how the forecasted values look for us, and how should we take decisions based on that data. I think the one thing that we have focused on is taking data-driven decisions, and that's where StockIQ is providing us with a lot of valuable data. For example, some of the KPIs that we are focused on is like stock outs, any late orders, the stock availability. So all of this information is given to us by StockIQ, and rather than going into the manual process of actually calculating them on Excel, I guess we are just way past that, and we want some automation and everything, and that's where StockIQ helps us a lot. And in terms of getting the raw data as well, the clean data as well, like for example, if there's some data that we want to analyze and create a dashboard, I think we get those data and directly export it to Power BI and create a dashboard for that. So in all aspects, I think StockIQ has been extremely valuable to us. I would say visibility of what's exactly happening with our business. So one of the things that we actually, personally, I look at is the dashboards on the home screen, like what's the on-hand inventory, how is it looking, what's the open supply orders, and we're trying to understand the correlation between the open supply orders and our current inventory. So our inventory was actually rising for a while. For now, it's stagnant, and our open supply orders has reduced. So all of this information that StockIQ is providing us with is extremely valuable. That's some of the key insights, I would say, giving a lot of more visibility of the data, of the trends,